Hi, my name is Silas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about black sesame oil before actually you order the product. Remembering that all the information given here was taken from the official website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or learn more about each detail on the product's official website. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about black sesame oil is that you be careful with the website you're going to order from, because black sesame oil is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. In addition, on the official website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of black sesame oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, black sesame oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is black sesame oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes, black sesame oil works, and, after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you, as it is a new performance formula designed to improve your health. That's because the black sesame oil is all natural, and scientifically proven ingredients in this formula promote healthy by providing special super compounds you're not getting through regular food. Black sesame oil focuses on tackling problems with poor nutrient metabolism. Sesame oil is revered by 5,000-plus-year-old traditions like Ayurveda and traditional medicine. With black sesame oil you will get the following benefits: anti-aging properties, heart health, comfortable digestion, reduced stress and pain and inflammation. Additionally, black sesame oil produces more internal warmth and nourishment, more skin and hair rejuvenation, more energy and better sleep, healthy bones, normal circulation. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for black sesame oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, black sesame oil has no side effects since it is natural. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. Remembering that all these elements effectively contribute to the natural production of energy and health benefits. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with black sesame oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee, there's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test black sesame oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy black sesame oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that black sesame oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of black sesame oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.